Thank you. Now I'm going to deliver an example of a 3 minutes opening. And the title of my presentation is How to Buy Your First Property. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my presentations. Now today I'm going to share an important topic with everybody, that is how to buy your first property. To start with, I'd like to ask everybody 3 questions. Questions number 1. Do you agree that today Malaysian property price is getting higher and higher every year without fail? Thank you. Would you agree that you are worried that one day when you are ready to buy your own properties, you may end up not having enough money? Thank you. Question number 3. Do you worry that in future your children will not have their own house to stay? They have to rent a house forever. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, indeed, these are the worries of all Malaysians today. Prices has gone up, inflation has gone up, but our salary will always be the one not going up. GST comes in, petrol price now, every week we got to watch and decide whether we're going to pump today or we're going to pump tomorrow. We are so price conscious today. Now, what about buying the most expensive item in your whole life? Yes, we have to agree that our own house is practically the one single ticket purchase which is cost you the most in your whole life. Today, in my program, I will cover 3 important points. And these 3 important points will help you alleviate all your worries. Number 1, what I'm going to share with you is how to buy below market value properties. Now, what is below market values? Below market values means you are immediately able to buy something which is 10 to 20% much lower than any ordinary people. Point number 2, where is the hotspot? I will give you a few criteria to help you to find property based on hotspot, which is good for price appreciations. Number 3, I will share with you some important tips so that you know how to negotiate with a property agent to get the best deal and to get the property agent work towards your benefit. Yes, within the next whole day, what I'm going to cover, the 3 important points, that is, you're going to learn how to do below market value property. Number 2, you will be able to know all the Kuala Lumpur's hotspot. Number 3, you will be able to know what is the actual thing you need to press and get the best deal from the property agent. And I hope you stay on for more to come. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, sister and brother, this is practically how the 3-minute presentation is going to be. Now, if you notice, the 3 minutes opening which I've just delivered practically cover these few areas. Number 1, you need to give everybody an overall view. An overall view about your topic. Number 2, try to engage your audience. You can try to engage your audience like what I just did. I ask questions to ask them to raise their hand so that I want to arouse interest in them, engage them, talk to them one-to-one. It's not a one-way traffic, it's a 2-way traffic. And number 3, all I want to do is within the opening, I want them to roughly have an idea. What am I covering? That's why I mentioned there were 3 points that they are going to learn. And that A, B, C cover. That's all. That is what we are talking about in our CPT. Exercise 1, 3 minutes. All you need to cover is this part. And this, within this 3 minutes opening, you got to cover an overview of this whole thing to engage your audience a little, talk to them, and to have cover what are your points. Thank you. I hope it helps you to prepare your exercise 1. See you in the class.